Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm KurtBob. So I'm going to make this thing for Tyler. Basically, what he wants is, in that room, there's that corner, and he wants basically a counter. So we'd already discussed roughly what size he wanted, so I just needed to run the calculations of what pieces to cut. Alright, I kind of hashed out what I had here, so I got a shopping list. 2 boards, 1 is 3, 2x3, 1 at 6, and 1 at 29. So now I got these, I'll get to cut. This is my first time doing a build-in like this, and I wasn't positive exactly how to do it, but I wanted to steal the angle from the wall. And I didn't want to have to hold the thing and get it level, so I just mounted 2 boards to the wall, made those level, and then set what's gonna be the back of the table on top of those. And later I'm just gonna connect those 2 boards with blocks. That way you could take it off to paint it or something, and then not have to re-level it or find your holes. You can set it right on top of those mounted boards. I don't know if there's a right way or a wrong way, but that's just the way I decided to do it, and it ended up working out great. Not much to it. 2x4s around the back and the outsides, and then you can see they taper down to 2x3s at the front, and then so do the supports. That's just so if he wants to scoot up and use it as a desk, 1 inch less in the front would be more comfortable.
Damn, it's ridiculous.
I wanted to use relatively inexpensive materials because he's going to be doing some rough projects. He's got a button maker and a paper cutter and just a lot of stuff where he's going to be clanking around a lot on the top of this, and he doesn't want something real nice because then he'll be afraid to use it and mess it up. I wanted something to invite him to work. As I went along with the rasp, sometimes I'd hit a screw, which is no problem. So I'd pull the screw out, use the countersink a little bit farther down, and then put the screw back in the deeper hole. I like nice round corners on my stuff for some reason. I like sanding and I like round corners. Now I had some artistic freedom with this piece. It's kind of a gift, so I kind of had the freedom to round the corners if I wanted, or leave them straight. I had the freedom to use the material I wanted. This linseed oil, really, you leave it on for 15 minutes and wipe it off. Most of it absorbs. Very pleased with it.
Yes, I like it. You can't even not feel the seam at all.
It is an inviting surface as far as you won't be afraid to work on it. You won't be afraid to, you know, poke a few holes in it or rough it up and ding it up because it doesn't look real class. But the function is there.
That's ass. Pretty damn perfect.
I'm gonna make diagonal pieces here and here.
Done. Done.
Done.